Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson, The Bond of Love. In our previous session, we came to know that the author accidentally got a bear cub. He brought it to his house and presented it to his wife. His wife became very happy and she christened it Bruno. She put new name to that bear cub. The new name was Bruno. Now let's continue the lesson. Bruno soon took to drinking milk from a bottle. Immediately he learned to drink milk from the bottle. It was but a step further, and within a few days he started drinking everything else. And within a very few days he started eating and drinking everything else. And everything is right word. That word everything is right word. For he ate porridge made from any ingredients because he was eating whatever he was getting. He was eating porridge made from any ingredients. He was eating vegetables, fruits, nuts, meat, especially pork. Pork means mutton of or meat of pig. He was eating that. Curry, rice, regardless of condiments. He was eating rice and he was not worrying about condiments. Condiments means spices. Whichever spices you used in that was not matter for him. He was eating that. Chilies, bread, eggs, chocolates. Was eating chilies, bread, eggs, chocolates, sweets, puddings, ice cream, etc., etc., etc. He was eating everything, whatever he used to get. As for drink, milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, aerated water, buttermilk, beer, alcoholic liquor, and in fact everything liquid. And he was drinking any liquid. He was ready to drink milk, tea, coffee, lime juice, aerated water, buttermilk, beer, alcoholic liquor, and whatever it is which is considered as liquid. He was ready to drink that. It all went down with relish. These all things, they used to go inside his stomach with relish. With relish means enjoy. Happily he was eating or drinking all these things. The bear became very attached to our two Alsatian dogs and to all the children of the tenants living in our bungalow. The bear became very attached to two Alsatian dogs. In writer's house there were two Alsatian dogs and bear became friend with those dogs and to all the children of the tenants living in our bungalow, and he became pet for all the children of tenants. Tenants means people who are living in a room paying rent. Okay. Children, they liked this bear. He was left quite free in his younger days and spent his time in playing, running into kitchen and going to sleep in our bed. And he was left quite free. There was no restriction for him in his younger days. And spent his time in playing. He was spending his time in playing, running into kitchen. He was entering inside the kitchen and going to sleep in our bed. And sometimes he was sleeping in the beds of author. One day, an accident befell him. I put down poison barium carbonate to kill the rats and mice that had got into my library. One day, an accident befell him. Befell means happened. Okay. One day, an accident means an unpleasant event happened. I put down poison barium carbonate to kill the rats and mice that had got into my library. One day, writer put poison barium carbonate, name of that poison, in order to kill rats and mice inside his library. Okay. Bruno entered the library as he often did, and he ate some of the poison. When writer was not there inside the library, that time Bruno entered the library and he ate some of the poison. Paralysis set into the extent that he could not stand on his feet. Then he was paralyzed. Paralysis means, see, a state of being unable to act. He could not act, he could not move. Paralysis set into extent that he could not stand on his feet. He could not stand independently, like that condition was there. But he dragged himself on his stamps to my wife, who called me. Then also he made his effort. He dragged himself on his stumps, side part. Okay. He moved towards writer's wife. Then writer's wife called writer. I guessed what had happened. Then writer guessed the situation, what had happened there. Off I rushed in the car to vet's residence. Then immediately he moved towards vet's residence, veterinary doctor's residence. A case of poisoning, tame bear, barium carbonate, what to do? After reaching there, he asked the doctor, a case of poisoning, tame bear, barium carbonate, what to do? He did not tell in a clear sentence, just he was telling the phrases. It shows his anxiety. Out came his medical books and a feverish reference to index began. Then doctor took out his medical book. A feverish reference to index began. Feverish means filled with excess energy. Okay, with energy. He was referring the index. What poison did you say, sir? Barium carbonate. Then again vet asked, what poison did you say, sir? Then writer replied, barium carbonate. Then he started to check that. Yes, BA, barium salts, barium carbonate. Symptoms, paralysis, treatment, injection of dash. Just a minute, sir. I will bring my syringe and the medicine. He started to check. First, he found B, after that BA, after that barium salts he found, after that he found barium carbonate. And he studied the symptoms. Symptoms means characteristics. When a person or animal eats barium carbonate, what happens to that? That is symptoms. Paralysis. He came to know the symptom is paralysis. Treatment. Then he studied about treatment. Injection of dash. What is that? It is not given here. Just a minute, sir. Then he said, just a minute. I will bring my syringe and medicine. I will bring my syringe and medicine. Let's go there. Like that. Wet said to the author. A dash back to the car. Bruno still plundering about on his stumps. A dash back. Dash means here a short run. They ran towards car. Bruno still floundering. When they reached the house, Bruno still floundering. Floundering means struggling to move. He could not move. But clearly weakening rapidly, and he was becoming more and more weak. Okay. Some vomiting. He was vomiting. Heavy breathing, breathing heavily, with having pranks. Having pranks means to make an effort to vomit. Having pranks means to make an effort to vomit. Some vomiting sensation was there, and gaping mouth. He was widely opening his mouth. Okay. Hold him, everybody. In goes the hypodermic. Bruno squeals. 10 cc of antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted. 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. Another 10 cc injected. Hold him. Then doctor told to hold that bear. In goes the hypodermic. Bruno squeals. Then in goes hypodermic. Hypodermic means a long needle used to give an injection under the skins. Injection entered inside his skin. Bruno squeals. Squeals means he screamed or made high-pitched sound. 10 cc of antidote enters his system without a drop being wasted. 10 cc. Cc means cubic centimeter of antidote entered inside his system, entered inside his body without a drop being wasted. Antidote. 10 cc of antidote entered inside his body, even one drop also not wasted there. Antidote means medicine for poison that entered inside his body. 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. They waited for 10 minutes, but condition unchanged. There was no change in his condition. Another 10 cc injected. Again they injected 10 cc antidote. 10 minutes later, breathing less, stertorous. 10 minutes later, breathing less stertorous. Here stertorous breathing means noisy breathing. Earlier he was breathing noisily. He was making much noise while breathing. But now that noise reduced. Bruno can move his arms and legs a little, although he cannot stand yet. And he started to make some movements of arms and legs. But still he cannot stand. 30 minutes later, Bruno gets up and has a great feed. 30 minutes later, he stood up and had a great feed. He started to eat food. He looks at us disdainfully, as much as to say, "What's barium carbonate to a big black bear like me?" Then Bruno looked at writer and Wet and his writer's family members, as if he was trying to ask, what barium carbonate to a big black bear like me? What will this barium carbonate do to a big bear black like me? It is not going to make any effect on me. Like that, he was looking towards them. Bruno is still eating, and he continued his eating. Though he ate that poison, it did not make any effect on Bruno. He recovered after getting injection. Okay. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching video.